Congratulations on studying a new language. Before you actually open your grammar book, there are 7 things that I want you to write down on a paper, and all these 7 things will be mentioned in my video. In this video, I will be using this eraser. This one is my highlighter, and this is a pen, a black ink pen. You are probably wondering why I wanted to write down 7 things on a paper. I think it will be very useful for you to have a global look on these 7 things, and it will help you to create a language routine. So the first thing I want you to write down on this paper is the name of your target language. Here you can see that I decided to show you how it will look like for Korean. Just below the name of your target language, I want you to write down the reason why you decided to learn this language. You probably have several reasons, so you can write all them down. It will be like a reminder for you to stay motivated and to keep focusing on your goal. So now I would like you to write down the level you want to reach in your target language. It can be anything. Maybe you only want to be intermediate level, maybe you want to reach full fluency. It really depends on you. And just next to your level, it would be very nice to write the amount of time you want to focus on this language, maybe per day or per week. And if you already know it, you can also write down the number of years you plan to study this year and to reach this level. So this is how it looks like for the moment, and maybe if you have a certification in mind, you can write it down. It's very important to keep this also as a reminder. Here, 4 out of 4 refers to the 4 competencies: writing, reading, listening, and speaking. There are some people that only want to focus on 3 out of them, so it's really up to you. So let's go to the next page. Now that you have the level you want to reach and also the amount of time you can dedicate it to this language, you can start thinking about a budget. You can think in months, in semester, or maybe even in years. Given the budget you can allocate to this learning, you will find several types of resources. Obviously, it can be online, it can be paper with books, and maybe to help you focus or to help you progress at faster path, you will be interested to meet a teacher from time to time, or maybe to attend some night courses in a university. And now the last thing I want you to think about is if you know a native person or not. A native person can really help you reach your target language, and if you know someone, don't hesitate to ask him or her for help, and I'm sure he will be or she will be very happy to help you. And if you don't have any contact, it's okay. I will actually prepare a video on this topic to help you find someone to practice and to improve your speaking level. So now you just need to erase a few things and it will be ready. I really hope you liked watching this video, and in my next video I will talk about motivation. It's a very important topic because there will be so many times, so many moments where you will lost motivation and you will be wondering why you are doing this and that. So yes, I just can't wait to give you more tips. Bye!